Here's how to change app icons to bigger or smaller on Samsung. Now, if you have a Samsung phone running Android, you can always adjust the size of those app icons. I'll show you how to do it, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is swipe up from here, and we'll get into our settings. So tap on Settings. And now from here, all we need to do is scroll down until we get to the option for Home Screen and tap on that. Once you're in Home Screen, you can see at the very top is App Size. I can make the apps bigger by going to the right or smaller by going to the left. And you can see if I hop out of here, it'll change the size of those icons. Now, once I go back in here, you can see I can also choose to make these bigger through that, but I can also choose to make them bigger or smaller depending on app labels. So you can see the little app icons at the top here. If I turn labels off, the apps get a bit bigger, and if I turn them on, they get a bit smaller. So let's keep them off. I prefer no labels. Now you can also scroll down here, and you can see things like Home Screen Grid. Now from here, you can choose 5x6, which will allow 5 apps across, or 4x6 if you want a bit bigger apps. 5x6, of course, has a bit smaller apps. Now you can go through here and do the same thing for App Screen Grid, 4x6 or 5x6. And as well, you can go to Folder Grid and either choose 3x4 or 4x4 grids on here, basically increasing or decreasing the size of those icons within folders. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.